Hey guys, we're back again. It's Wednesday and it is PE day. Let's get ready for our third striking lesson. Today's lesson goals are, by the end of the lesson, I will be able to volley the balloon by myself in my own space, volley the balloon back and forth with a partner, work with my balloon safely in my own space, and listen and follow all rules. This week's lesson is going to be a lot of fun. Let's first talk about some quick review from last week. The image on the right is called a forehand strike. You should remember seeing this last week. The image on the right below is called a backhand strike. We do this by striking with the back of our hand. So remember, the forehand strike is with the palm of our hand, and the backhand strike is with the back of our hand. Now that we reviewed some things that we learned last week, let's talk about this week. We're going to talk about the difference between striking and volleying. When you hit an object with force once, you are striking that object. When you hit the same object over and over again, or repeatedly to keep it in the air, you are volleying it. Notice the difference below. The GIF on the left is me striking my balloon with my plate. The GIF on the right is me volleying the balloon. See how on the left I hit it once and catch it? That's me striking. And on the right, I am consistently hitting the balloon over and over again. That's the difference between striking on the left and volleying on the right. Let's keep moving. Okay, now we've added some new vocabulary this week, so let's everybody stand up, push your chairs in, and let's get ready to get warmed up. Let's go.
Welcome to our fitness challenge, where your job is to do as many repetitions of the exercise that is up on the screen before the 30 seconds is up. After each exercise, you'll get a break so you can rest, recover, and do your best on the next exercise. Remember your score so you can set goals and track your improvements. You ready? Let's get started. Our first exercise will be 180 jumps, where you'll be in ready position facing one wall, then squat down, jump, and turn 180 degrees so you're facing the opposite wall. Each jump counts as one rep. Now, how many can you do in 30 seconds? Let's go. Remember your score and take these 15 seconds to rest your body and recover so you can do your best on the next exercise. Our second exercise is clapping jacks, which are just like jumping jacks, except you'll clap your hands above your head. Each clap counts as one rep. Now, how many can you do in 30 seconds? Let's go. Remember your score and take these 15 seconds to rest your body and recover so you can do your best on the final exercise. Our final exercise will be frog jumps, where you'll get into a deep squat, you'll tap the ground, and then jump straight up like a frog. Each time you tap the ground counts as 1 rep. Now how many can you do in 30 seconds? Let's go. Well done completing this fitness challenge. Keep setting goals and you'll improve and get a little stronger each day.
Great job on the warm-up, everyone. Now, teachers, please pass out the equipment. Each student will get 1 plate and 1 balloon. Students, place the balloon and plate on your desk until you are instructed to use them. First, students, let's explore our space. So for 1 minute, you are going to have the freedom to explore your personal space with your balloon and your paper plate. Be creative. Your 1-minute timer starts now. Okay, everyone freeze. Great job. Now that we've had a chance to get familiar with our balloon and our plate again, let's work on each hand individually. For 30 seconds, you are going to practice using your right hand to start. So grab your balloon, grab your plate, and with your right hand, you'll have 30 seconds to practice volleying in your space. Remember, consecutive hits is volleying. Your 30-second timer starts now. Okay, everybody freeze. Now, do the same thing with your left hand. Remember, we are volleying. We are going to hit our balloon consecutively. So please put your balloon and your plate in your left hand. You have 30 seconds. Ready? Go! Okay, everybody freeze. Great job. Okay, your next challenge is to apply some of the things we learned last week to this week. You'll have 30 seconds. You can choose either hand you'd like, and you are going to practice your forehand first. Remember, your forehand is with the palm side of your hand. So now that we have a plate, it's going to be on the side that's facing your palm, like the GIF in the top right. So you will have 30 seconds, use your balloon and your plate, and practice your forehand strike. Ready? Go. Okay, everybody freeze. Now we will do the same thing with our backhand volley. Remember, backhand is using the back side of our hand. So with our plate, like the GIF in the bottom right, we're going to practice our backhand volley. You have 30 seconds. Ready? Go. Okay, everybody freeze. Now that we've had a chance to practice some of our skills, we're going to do a fun challenge. Use the timer in the bottom left to see how many points you can score in 1 minute. You will get 1 point for each time you volley your balloon with your plate. Everybody pick up your balloon and plate. You have 1 minute. Your timer starts now. Ready? Go. Okay, everybody freeze. Good job. Okay, now we have practiced both striking and volleying by ourselves. Remember, striking is hitting our balloon once with force. And remember, volleying is the continued process of hitting over and over again to keep it in the air. Now we are going to work with a partner. Teachers, you may pause the video now if you need to. Please pair your students up. With your partner, you will turn and face them, and like you see Coach P and I, we are going to try and volley back and forth. We are going to keep our balloon up. Coach P and I had a great time trying this. You've got 1 minute. See if you and your partner can volley the balloon back and forth. Remember to stay in your space. If your balloon goes outside, please simply go pick it up and carry it back to your space and continue with your partner. You have 1 minute. Good luck. Awesome job. Everybody freeze. Okay, this is our last challenge. Teachers, you may pause this video again to have students get set up. What you are going to do is you and your partner are going to be seated, still facing one another. This time you're going to put a chair in between you two. So one of you please move your chairs in between you and your partner. Your object is to volley back and forth over the chair. This can be more difficult because now you can't use your feet to move. You have 1 minute. Your timer starts now. Good luck. Okay, everybody freeze. Good job. Teachers, now is the time to collect all equipment, and please pass out each student's worksheet. Students should get one worksheet. On the sheet, students will answer the following question. How do you feel about your ability to volley the balloon using your paddle with a partner? Choose the answer that best fits you. Is it A, I feel great, it was super fun, and I kept it up the entire time? B, I had success a little bit, but I still need to practice some? Or C, I know I can improve with more practice? Last, students will fill in the following question. Hitting an object once with force is known as a blank. Hitting an object repeatedly to keep it in the air is known as a blank. Please fill in the best you can. Great job, everybody. Teachers, please collect these worksheets and have students make sure their name is on them. Great job in today's lesson. I hope everyone had fun in our striking and volleying unit.